Let me say something about the course that you're going to follow. The course objective is to ensure that all experts who work regularly with Partnership on ROM are effective practitioners of result oriented monitoring. That means that they are competent, fully competent to the requirements demanded. The other element which is important in this is that this objective has to be demonstrated. In other words, there will be a system of certification. Now, the course is focused on current pressing realities that undermine quality. It's not focused on absolutely everything. Certain background issues or certain horizontal and specialized issues are also going to be addressed in this course. And that's because we see that these are determinants of certain superficial analysis which are constantly occurring. For example, project management is an issue, gender is an issue, environment is an issue. In many of these cases, our analysis is pretty superficial. Now, the course is building on previous capacity development work that Partnership has undertaken for its ROM experts. There is, of course, the ROM handbook, and there is the ROM field guide. There's also a lot of internal advice. But we will draw on that consistent with the focus of the course. But it's your duty always to make sure that you pay attention to what's in that and know it well. Now, the course is modular and blended. There's going to be 5 e-learning modules like this one. They will be of different length and different duration. For example, Module 2 and Module 3 will be more lengthy than this module. But all the modules will have some of the following elements. There'll be online presentations like this one, sometimes without a text or a support, just a face. There'll be fact sheets which give information, some of them commented, some not, some you just download. There will be forums for you to discuss, and there'll be a quiz for you to verify that you have assimilated at least the knowledge elements and the understanding of the issues. Now, each module will last, as I say, there'll be of different lengths, but last between about 60 and 200 minutes. Each participant is going to be designated a coach. These coaches will be drawn from the current QCs and the deputy team leader. And you'll interface with that coach face to face at the start and at the end, and possibly also during the course. Now, the other element of this is that on successful completion of the 5 modules, you will then be asked to validate the competencies that you have acquired through application to an upcoming ROM mission, or exceptionally with regard to a previous ROM mission. Now, details of this will be provided later, but it is likely to involve a discussion with your quality controller for the relevant mission about what you have learned, what you did, and why and how relevant to the specified competencies of this course. Now, successful participants will be certified. That means they will receive a certificate which indicates in what respect they are competent. Now, the course is voluntary. No one is obliged to do this. However, it is important to recognise that over time, Partnership would like to work with a pool of regular certified ROM experts, and would like to be able to show and prove that they have all proved themselves to have the required level of competence and to produce the required level of quality. Now, a few technical things. You need a computer, a broadband link, You've already been given a link, a username, and a password, and that will get you access to the learning management system on which the 5 modules are hosted. In addition, you're given a key for each module. You've already been given the key for module 1 and you will be given a key after completion on it. This means that you cannot move on to the next module until you complete this one, because when you ask for the key to the next one, it will be verified by the administrator whether or not you have successfully completed the previous module. Now, the administrator of the system will be someone within the Brussels core team, and same for the facilitator of the course. That has to be selected as well.